we extend the curtain wall here, it protects the barracks.
But the stress on the southeast tower will be too great.
Then we reinforce the keep.
The main keep will stand here, overlooking the valley. The walls must be constructed precisely as marked.
Good.
All right, man, all together now. Push! Harder! It's moving!
Pull! Harder! Keep the momentum! Steady now!
Watch it, easy now. Lower away, gently.
Hold it there.
Steady. Lower it slowly. I have it. Almost there. All together, pull.
Heave!
Push it into place. Harder. Almost there, push it into place.
Secure that line now.
Heave ho! Pull the line! Watch the left side, steady now. Almost there, hold it steady. Keep digging, we're almost there. Pull, lads, pull! Watch out above.
Move those beams faster. We need more rope over here. Hurry! The captain wants this finished by dusk.
Drop the stones, faster, they're breaking through. All right, bring it in. Steady, hold it steady. Down, slowly down.
Secure the perimeter. Watch the gate. These supplies must be moved immediately. Everyone to your stations, quickly. To the completion of our great hall. May the feasting continue long into the night. Ready, bows. Hold. Loose. Knock. Draw. Knock arrows! Prepare! Fire! Hold the walls, men! Keep the volleys coming!
The view from up here is absolutely incredible, especially with the sunset hitting the ruins like that.